Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Few days back we discussed the trainer fleets which are available with Indian Air Force in one of my video. And to list them real quick, the aircrafts under this category are Pilatus PC-7, the HAL Kiran and BAE Systems Hawk. In this video we will be discussing the latest deal which has been approved for HAL's HTT-40 basic trainer aircrafts. As per the different sources, it looks like Indian Air Force has got approval to induct 106 basic trainer aircrafts into their fleet, and the model is the same HTT-40 from HAL. And to give a quick intro about this trainer, the HTT-40 is built by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, and it is said to be that the induction is to fill the gap of retired HPT-32 Deepak trainers. And now just to do a recap on the progress of HTT-40 aircrafts during its development stage. These trainer aircrafts have successfully demonstrated critical 6-turn spin test capability and are going to seek the FOC, which is the final operational clearance. The project design started in 2013 with a funding of 350 crores before it started preparing for the spin tests in a matter of 5 years. With these successful spin testing, the image and the credibility of HAL gets a boost, and also it proves that the company is capable of designing a fixed wing and spin-worthy aircraft. Besides the 6-turn spin tests, the turbo HTT-40 has so far not only met but also crossed all the qualities for the flight performance which was set by the Indian Air Force. And this includes the ceiling, the spin, the turn and the speed. There was still a pressure on HAL even after these successful tests, since Indian Air Force was looking to acquire the Pilatus PC-7 Mark II trainer, which has already met all the required parameters. These Pilatus PC-7 Mark II trainers are manufactured by Pilatus Aircraft Limited, which is an aerospace manufacturer located in Stans, Switzerland. Even though the company has the experience of building the Hawk advanced jet trainers for the Indian Air Force through the technology transfer from UK-based BAE Systems, they were very keen to see if HTT-40 would be inducted into Indian Air Force or not. And this particular good news of Indian Air Force getting approval for 106 HTT-40 trainers has made the HAL management very happy. So what are the next steps to make sure these 106 HTT-40 trainers are added to the Indian Air Force fleet? The certification process for these trainer aircrafts is underway, and post-certification, 70 basic trainer aircraft will be initially procured from HAL, and the balance 36 will be added after the 70 HTT-40 gets operationalized in Indian Air Force fleet. So let's hope this is taken forward as planned and we see the India's indigenous basic trainers serving in Indian Air Force fleet. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.